Hello guys, in this video you can learn how to insert record in the SQL Server database table in ASP.NET C# the link you and update that record, delete that record and charge that record in ASP.NET C# with SQL Server the link you connection classes. See the video continue, you can understand perfectly. See the video continue, you can understand perfectly. File, click on the menu file, new website, ASP.NET website. It's located in the D drive. If you want to change the location, click on the browse. This is site 3, click on the OK. And my website is already created. Now go to the design, located in the down design, it's the website design. Okay, I just erase existing things. Now row, 5 rows and 4 columns. Click on the OK. It's already created. Now I'm gonna design the header of this website. Title is insert information. Now I'm gonna design it. Go to the property, busy color, back color. Background color is I just choose aqua background color and go to the style to change the font weight and font size, everything. Font weight is bold, font size is X large and font color is green. Okay, now it's designed nicely. Okay, now align in the property, align center. Okay, now I just add a label control in the design from the toolbox by drag and drop. Go to the property, font weight bold and change the text of this label control. Text will be ID. Okay, now it's created. Just copy and paste it for 4 times because I will add 4 column in the database table. Okay, first column is ID, so the first level is ID and second level is name and third level is address, fourth level is age. Now add a text box from the toolbox by drag and drop. Text box 1, text box 2, text box 3, text box 4. Okay, now add a button control from the toolbox by drag and drop. This is the button. Change the fonts and change the fore color of this button. Fore color is maroon. Fore color means text color. Font weight is bold and change the text of this button. Size is medium. Text is in this button. I will show how to insert record in the database table. The link you. This is insert button. Now button name is I just change the button ID btn insert. Okay, now I just copy the button. I will define that in this button I will write code for update, btn update. ID is btn update and paste again. Delete. In this button I will show how to delete. Delete is no very sensitive, that's why I just change the back color of this delete button is red and fore color is white. Change the text of this button is delete, delete and name is btn delete and add another button by pasting it will be charts, btn charts. Change the text of this button charts, charts. You can see all type of video in my upcoming video. If you face any types of complexity in my video, please comment. And if you think it's helpful, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Go to the toolbox to take a grid view. This is the grid view, where after inserting the record in the database table, it will show in the data grid view. Okay. Now I'm gonna create a database by in the server explorer. Dot SQL Express. My server name is dot SQL Express. You can write your server name and database name MySQL tutorial DB. Okay, now table is empty. There is no table. Right click and add new table, and the column name is ID. Data type integer, and name integer means it only take the number. Name Envarkar 50. Envarkar 50 means it will take only 50 character. Age is float. Address is Envarkar. Float means it is number and decimal too. Name the table name my info tab. Save the table as name my info tab. Okay. Now to connect the database with your project, in the solution explorer add new or link you to SQL classes. Select link to your SQL classes and then click add. See, click yes. Okay, link your class already created. Now go to the server explorer and expand the table folder and drag the my info tab in the and drop it in the data class DBML file. Okay, now save. Go to your design, double click to go to the click event. Now call the link you class. My link you class name is data class. So data class data context db equal to new data class data context, what I added few seconds ago. Data class.dbml, this is the data class dbml. When you call this link you file, you must write data classes name and data context already added. Data context db equal to new data context. In the between insert click event whereas equal to new my info tab. Id equal to integer. Id is integer, that's why you have to convert the text box one value in integer data type. Integer dot first equals on dot text to the bracket, and name equal to text box 2 dot text, and address equal to text box 4 dot text. I just coefficient to reducing the time. Actually my habit is copy paste, don't mind please. If you paste complexity, please comment, then I will rectify. I will I will do better as per your requirement. Age is double data. Age is float data type, that's why I converted this double allowed decimal too, that's why. db dot my info tab dot insert on submit st db dot submit changes. Okay, now to display message, I just put the script another register script starter script this dot get type, and I successfully inserted. When I click on the in between insert button, then it will display the successfully inserted on the success. Now after successfully inserted, then the data will display in the grid view. That's why I just write the code to display the data in grid view. Void load data by stick to promise db my info tab, select s grid view under data choose equal to st and grid view under data bind. This is the method I just write to display the data in after insert. Okay, now call the method in the button click event after insert portion, after message portion load data colon. Okay, now just debug by view in browser, right click view in browser. Okay, now one id 1 name John, address Canada, age 22. Just click on the insert button. Okay, successfully inserted and it's displayed perfectly there. Very nice, very nice. And another record I just insert. It's Sam, India. And age is 24. Okay. I just insert two record. See that when I refresh the page, the record is blank. Now I'm gonna show how to update data. I just copy it. By equal to promising db my input tab where s.id equal to textbox1.text. Textbox1 id is integer. That's why integer dot first textbox1.text and select s dot first because this is primary key column. No, that's why equal to you must use double equal. Single equal will not allow in the context. st dot name equal to text box 2 dot text. st dot age equal to age is float data type. That's why you must convert it in the double. Type is 4 dot text double dot first. Yes, double dot first text box 4 dot text. Now you just write db dot submit change. It will save. db dot submit change will save to save submit the changes. Now I just process the message successfully updated. Okay. Now charts. Go to the charts button, click event. As per update and charts are not so different. It's a bit same. That's why I just copy paste. Elastically promotion input to higher ID equal to the text and as select as dot fast as usual. Now uh, which ID you put in the text box one, that ID's name will be displayed in the text box 2 dot text. st dot name text 2 dot text equal to st dot name and text 3 dot text equal to st dot address and text 4 dot text equal to st dot age dot twisting. Age is age is double upload data type. That's why you must convert it in the string when you display in the text box. Text is always string. That's why you must convert it in the twisting. st dot h dot twisting text 3 and text 4. Okay. Just event each time each button click event I just call the method load data because what change I will do, what insert, update, what I will do, I must see it instant. That's why I just call the method to display the data in grid view. Okay, one, two, it's inserted. Now see the one ID I just saying John to John Simon Canada to USA and age 23, 22 to 23. Now just click the update. It's successfully updated. Now I click the OK. See that it's already updated. Okay. Now I'm gonna insert another record 3 John address USA and age is 33. Insert successfully inserted and it is shown instantly in the grid view. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to the btn delete click event to display how to delete and insert update delete charts is all are a bit same symbol different. That's why I just copy paste as well. Just add the code in the delete button db.myinfotab.delete on submit st. What id you will put in the text box 1, that id that record will be delayed after clicking the delete button. Deleted submit change must use must add the code delay deleted submit changes, and I just also add the message successfully deleted message. Okay, delete is confidential. If you delete one record it will delete one if you don't understand me with misunderstanding you can delete it. That's why it will you must use a confirm message. To use confirm message in the button, you can edit in the property window or in the source file. Source file just on add on client click on client click equal to return confirm bracket first bracket start are you sure to delete and bracket close and semicolon 2. You must add this code and update also confidential. So in the update button you must use always use this code in the update and delete. Are you sure to update? It will display the message when you want to update or delete. Are you sure to update or delete? View in browser, right click view in browser. Oh, sorry. In the page load event, when you load this page, it will display how many record you already inserted. In the grid view. To display the record in the at refresh, you must call the method in page load event. Call the method load data. Then when you refresh this page, it's automatically display the grid view. And in the button delete event, I also call the method load data. Save. This is the design. Replace this page. See that how many record you inserted. It's displaying the grid view. 3 RH address India is 23. I just insert display the record and it's access. Now I'm gonna delete. See that it's a confirm message are issued to delete. If you click OK, then it will delete. If you click cancel, not delete. I just click cancel, so it's not deleted. I just click OK, then it is deleted, and you can see in the grid view also replaced, and no deleted data is available here. And in the charts event also work perfectly. Now I just update it. One name is update John, and it also display the confirm message are issued to update successfully updated, and it's updated.